Have you ever wondered how companies like Paysafe, that are all about digital payments, actually turn a profit? They aren't selling a physical product. They're not a bank earning interest on your deposits. So, where does the money come from? The answer is actually pretty straightforward, but it's built on three key pillars: payment processing, digital wallets, and online cash solutions. Think of Paysafe as a global middleman, facilitating transactions between businesses and their customers. And for every transaction, they get a cut. First up, payment processing. This is their bread and butter. When a customer uses a credit card, debit card, or even a bank transfer to pay for something on a website, Paysafe is the engine behind the scenes making that transaction happen. They work with businesses of all sizes, from small e-commerce shops to major gaming and sports betting companies. And for each payment they process, they charge a small fee or percentage of the transaction amount. Second, digital wallets. You might know them better as Skrill and NetEller. These are digital accounts where users can store money and make fast, secure payments online without sharing their bank details. Paysafe generates revenue from these wallets in a few different ways: transaction fees for sending money, fees for withdrawing funds, and even currency conversion charges when a user moves money between different currencies. And finally, their unique online cash solutions. This is where Paysafe really stands out with products like Paysafe Card. This service allows a customer to buy a prepaid voucher with cash at a physical location, like a convenience store, and then use that voucher code to make an online payment. It's a game changer for people who prefer to pay with cash or who don't have a bank account. And just like their other services, Paysafe earns revenue from the fees associated with these transactions. So, in a nutshell, Paysafe's business model is about enabling secure, seamless transactions across a variety of platforms and payment types. By charging a small fee for each service, from processing a credit card payment to facilitating a digital wallet transfer or a prepaid cash voucher, they generate billions in revenue annually. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.